All right, what up, everybody? Lynn Ray here. Today is feeding day for my girls. I've got two reptiles, two snakes. I'm just checking her right now. So what I'm doing right now is I'm kind of getting them prepped. I'll go ahead and show you what I do. I really don't have to do this with my ball python. She's a really good eater. She's a really good eater. Doesn't matter what I put in there, she's tearing it up. But So I'm going to show you my coastal. I have a coastal carpet python. Show you what her setup looks like, and also show you how I put the food in there. Hopefully the smells kind of entice her to eat. I've only owned her for about a week now, and she has not eaten for me yet. So hopefully this right here will help her, and I'll show you exactly what I've done. Basically, I put her rat in this bag. Put some holes in the bag just to kind of get that scent inside the enclosure. Hopefully, again, that primes her for the meal. Again, she hasn't eaten. I've owned her for about a week now. She hasn't eaten yet, and yeah, just wanna get her feeding so that she can start putting some size on. She's pretty small right now. She's 8 months old. Today is literally her 8th month, her 8th month birthday. Uh, and she's been eating, has looking at the charts from the breeder, and she hasn't been a really good eater with the breeder, and so I'm hoping I can kind of change that somehow, maybe doing this right, priming her, having the rat in the bag, and maybe that'll help her eat. I don't know. So I'll show you how I've got my girl 11 set up. And here's 11's box. Or her tub. I've got her rat in this white box over here, and she is ready to eat. About a minute ago, I walked over here, and she was literally in the S position, in her strike position, hoping, hoping she could find something. But obviously, the rat can't get out of the box, so she'll have to wait for a minute. Alrighty, so as you can see, her little head poking out right there in the center. She is ready to rock and roll. I actually just took her rat out of there because I forgot to weigh it. And what I realized is that rat only weighed 30 grams. Right now I'm kind of feeding her around 30 to 50 gram rats. Usually around the 40 gram is kind of what I try and stay around. But that rat was a little too light, but I happen to have a frozen thaw in the freezer, and so I'm going ahead and thawing that out right now. So it'll be a total of about, I think it weighs around 14 grams. So it'll be a total of 44 grams, which is fine. And yeah, so as soon as that's finished thawing out, I'll go ahead and get her rocking. I'm going to go ahead and throw this rat in, and this is an ugly rat. Oh, well, we're going to miss it. Well, we missed it. The rat walked right into the dungeon. Not a good idea. And he has been taken. That's a pretty ugly rat there too. Holy crap. Well, we didn't get much of any stalking. Usually 11, she'll kind of go after it, and you can tell she's a pretty good size. She's almost 400 grams right now. And that's after she's had went to the bathroom, and she's had a poop or a BM, whatever you want to call it. And so even after she's expelled all the stuff, she is a legitimate actually 378. So she's about 22 grams from being 400 grams. So she's actually growing at a pretty good rate. I think, she's eating very well. I'm feeding her once a week. In the beginning, I was feeding her twice a week or every 3 or 4 days, every 4 days. Now I feed her just every Monday or every Tuesday, so once a week, and she eats very well. And there it is. The deed is done. She killed him pretty quickly. Well, it looks like she's not hungry again. I've been sitting here. She's bit the rat, which is down there, multiple times. I think she just noticed I was here. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab her. And she just bit me. It doesn't really hurt, but she did. All right, so it's now the following morning, and the little fuzzy is still alive. So I went ahead and put her in the box with 11, and she'll, looks like she's about to take care of it now. And she's got it. She took her out, and so I don't have to waste that one. But yeah, she's taking care of it, and so that'll be about 44 grams for her for the day. All right, so that's it. Levin had 30-gram rat last night and 14-gram rat this morning. And I'm a little concerned about Max. She's not eating right now. It's been a while. I don't have her records on me right now, but actually I do have her records. So it looks like her last meal was actually February 12th, if I hadn't said that already. So February 12th was her last meal, it looks like. And a little concerned about her. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put her in a smaller tub or a smaller rub, whatever you want to call it, smaller enclosure. similar to the one that I had 11 in when I first got 11. So 11 started off in a small 9-liter tub, and I'll make a video about that tonight. And so I'm going to go ahead and disinfect it right now, and then I'm going to go ahead and set it up tonight. All right. Thanks for watching, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you all later. Peace.